Hi, this is Nikki in Japan. I'm currently in front of this udon shop. But this udon shop is a special one because they have udon vending machine. Udon vending machine. Who would have thought? Japan, right? I mean, they put everything in a vending machine. Come on, follow me and let's find out what's in this shop. Okay, so I'm now going to the shop. Actually, from the outside, it looks kind of like a convenience store. It does actually. I mean, so there are some guests here who are enjoying the meals from this udon shop. So you can see a lot of like vending machines over here. They're selling cigarettes. Ah, this must be the udon vending machine. Interesting. And there is like spice and chopsticks over here. Ooh. Okay, let's come inside the shop to see what's in here. Okay. Oh, it looks like a convenience store. An actual and eggs.
Oh,
Egg. Salted egg, but the salt is outside. Salted egg with salt outside the egg.
There's a pizza.
Yeah. Whoa, interesting. It's there's a lot of there are also other eggs, bento, bread. Like your convenience store. But yeah, I'm seeing eggs here. Interesting. So yeah, it's your convenience store. They have a lot of stuff over here. School supplies, stationery. Bento! Bento! Oh! Oh, udon? Udon. Ah, interesting. And then bento, they have bentos over here. More bentos, and you know the other convenience store items like instant noodles, milk tea for me, and some drinks over here, beer, sake. Yeah, basically that's it, and a lot of bread. So, but what I'm interested with is trying out the udon. Udon. Come on. And so I think you have udon 230. I think they're the same.
No, right is tempura udon.
Ah, tempura.
Left is tempura soba.
Ah, soba, udon. Ah, soba and then udon. Soba is made of. So you have here two buttons. This is like tempura soba and this is tempura udon. For the same price. 230 yen. And then there are some add-ons here.
It's eggs.
Eggs. Different types of eggs. So there are like options here. You can buy eggs, like different types of eggs. Raw, boiled egg, whatever, topping egg that you can buy inside the store. So let's check it out. I'm just gonna drop the coin over here. And then I'm gonna press 1 and
One by one.
okay. Oh, there's a timer. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's not so hot. Ta-da! And then I'm gonna get some chopsticks over here and some spice. Yay! Ta-da! And then I can put the soba over here. Udon. Now the other one, soba, so that's here. 1, 2, 50 yen. This one. Oh, 25 seconds. Oh,
Again.
okay. It's okay. I don't know how to get it.
That's what. You can go.
Okay. Okay.
It's super dark.
Yeah, I know, I know.
Like this one.
Okay.
Maybe that's it.
Okay, so we're gonna try out the udon and soba. Okay, so we bought this egg from inside the convenience store and we can put it here. So I think, I'll just get. So I added the boiled egg in the soba and now I'm ready to take a bite. Okay, I'm gonna try out the soba. It's okay. The broth is mild. I'm gonna try the tempura. The tempura has a good flavor. I'm gonna try out the egg. I'm not good at using chopsticks with the egg. It's good.
How about the noodles?
The noodle is it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. Okay, now this time I'm gonna try out the udon. I'm gonna try the udon noodles. Let's see if it's good.